If your host computer is a macOS, version Catalina or later, then I need to show you a workaround how to use the MDT tool with the new Macs. So let's switch to my Mac here, which is Catalina, and let's read and execute the MDT on macOS commands here. So first we need to have a serial connection to our board. We have it here from the previous steps. And then what we need to do is log into the board with the system user Mendel and password Mendel. This is now the first time we log into the new operating system version here. And then in the serial console, we need to create the SSH subdirectory and a file authorized keys. So I'm just copying and pasting here from the guide. Okay, we already have a .ssh. So all we need to do is VI or edit the authorized keys file that's already there. So then we need a second terminal to my Mac, and we use the SSH keygen generator command to generate a new PEM formatted SSH key pair. And we can give the file the name Mendel and no passphrase, so empty passphrase. Mendel and empty. Okay. And then we set the file permissions on my Mac for this new key pair, Mendel. And then let me check if I have on my Mac the directory home.config MDT. Yes, I do. Then I simply move this new SSH key that we created to my Mac's home directory, hidden directory.config /mdt/keys and the file name mdt.key. There we go. And then we need to cat mendel.pub, the public key side of this key pair. We copy it to the clipboard, so this is on the Mac. And then we switch to the serial console on the development board. We VI the authorized keys file, and we insert and paste here the public key that we generated on the Mac side. We quit and save. And then we need to connect the development board to your Wi-Fi network, so that then the Mac can use the Wi-Fi network to connect to the board with the MDT tool. So to connect your board to your Wi-Fi network, we execute the command nmtui. And we select to activate a connection, which will search connections visible to your board. I will use the Google Lab connection here. We need to enter the password. And if all goes well, your development board will connect to that network. Looks like link became ready. So that's good. So with the tabulator, I move back. And again with the tabulator and arrow keys, I select quit and I quit. And let's see if we have an IP address. Sudo ifconfig wireless LAN 0. Yes, we do. My board IP address is .44 on the local network. So then on the Mac, we can try to connect MDT shell. Yes, we want to allow this connection. Try again. And there we go. So now we are connected from the Mac over the Wi-Fi network with the MDT tool to the Coral DevBoard Mini. So that completes this section, MDT on macOS. Please choose your next path.